Hey everyone, and welcome to 7-9. My name is Dan, I'm originally from the UK and I'm currently based in Toronto, Canada. Oh, I'm glad you asked. 7-9 is a growing collection of videos about the restoration of my 911. Right guys, listen, if you know cars, if you work on cars, if you've got mechanical experience, none of this is going to be relevant to you. But if you just bought your dream car and you've got no idea really where to begin, then you're just the same as I am. And what I was finding is that when I purchased this 911 and I wanted to inject some of my character into it and I wanted to restore some parts of this myself, there's a wealth of information out there. There's tons of awesome people on the forums. There's guys out there that have amazing video blogs that I watch emphatically. But they all have a similar issue, which is that they all assume you have some base level of base understanding of mechanics, base understanding of cars. And if you don't, this whole process can be really daunting. So that's why I'm doing these videos. So I thought that maybe there's a couple of guys out there like me who don't really know what they're doing. They're embarking on this adventure. They're trying to figure out how to get this done without making too many mistakes, too many expensive mistakes. So if I can start to document some of the things that I'm doing to the car, some of the installations I'm doing, some of the modifications that I'm doing, some of the mistakes that I'm making, then maybe that helps somebody else out there that's in a similar stage that I am. And they might benefit from that in a way that I wish I could. So I hope you continue to enjoy and follow the feed. That would be super cool. And thanks for watching this part so far.